Hey, in today's video, I want to share with you my above ground pool, but more importantly, a lesson that came with it. You see, we live off the grid, so we don't have the power for a heater, and we live on bedrock, so we can't install an in-ground pool. But we've got this above ground pool that we love to spend time at in the weekends. We cool down and it works great. But the problem's been the past 2 years, we've just run this little gray filter here and it hasn't done the best job of cleaning. So this year I want to do something bigger and better. So I went online to the local online Kijiji ads and I found this filter and this pump, and they're a great price, and so I picked them up. Then I went to the local pool store and I said, hey, I've got this filter and this pump and I want to connect them to this pool. And the guy at the pool shop was a bit of a dick. He's like, you know what? You can't do that. I don't know why people buy used stuff from Kijiji. You'll never get those two things to be compatible. Those pools aren't built for filters like that. And you just waste your money. You know, you should just buy everything new from us. But here's the thing. In life, you're going to have naysayers. People who say you can't do it. People who say it can't be done. And that's just because they're not, forward thinkers. But with a little bit of determination and ingenuity, you can make it work. And we made this filter work. We made this pump work. And it cleans the pool beautifully. And I did it at almost like a tenth of the price. So the lesson today is, don't give up just because somebody says you can't do it. Because just because they can't do it doesn't mean that you can't.